Hey you guys, check out this super adorable snail that I made out of the Polymer clay kit. If you're interested, stay tuned. Hey you guys, so today we are checking out this Polymer clay kit and I received this as a gift from the brand. I am super excited to show you guys today because I love doing polymer clay. So here is everything that comes in this polymer clay kit. You've got 60 vibrant colors right here and I love that they are like a variety of different shades and colors. So if you've got kids that you're working with, they're gonna be able to just have lots of fun with this. And then also it comes with a lot of different picks in here so that everyone can have their own picks. A bag of like jewelry for you to use if you would like to, and then a silicone shapewear right here. So today I'm gonna go ahead and make a snail and show you guys how I do that. All right, you guys, so I just made my little snail here and I'm so happy with the results of it. I'm going to show you guys what I made compared to what was in the picture. I did change a couple of details. So for example, so here is the snail. The only thing that I changed was that I decided to put the eyeballs on here because I decided to make this into a keychain. And I love that it came with this little bag of little trinkets that you could turn into like a keychain, or you can make earrings out of it. So I'm probably going to need to buy more of this on Amazon for these because I do love the keychain ideas. I think there's like maybe 3 to 4 of these little keychain holders in here. And all I did was I just stuck this right into here. And then I used an acrylic marker. You can use a permanent marker as well just to draw in the eyes and then the little smile. And my nails are long right now. And so it made it harder to do because if you look closely, you can see like scratches on here. So I would just recommend that if you have nails on to just be very careful. This is my first time making it and I'm super happy with the results of this. I'm also going to show you guys how I cure it. I'm just going to place it on a cardboard and then just blow it with a hair blow dryer on high heat for a few minutes and then it will harden. So here's the final result and I'm super happy with it. It's got minor like imperfections as you can see, but I really like this. It's super adorable. And look at it, it's not falling off or anything. Obviously you want to be careful with it still, but I love this. I think it would be fun to do with kids for like summer, or if you've got like birthday parties. This would also make such a cute gift if you know of someone who loves to do art.